Bonjour and welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with the Parisian Hostess. It's actually cocktail hour somewhere in the world, so today I thought I'd show you how to make a fabulous lavender martini with essential oils. Ooh! So what we're going to need for this recipe, I'm going to list on the screen, but it's going to be 1 part vermouth, it's going to be 4 parts of vodka. You're going to need the Parisian Hostess lavender essential oil, which is all pure therapeutic grade. It's all natural, so you can actually cook and drink this lavender essential oil. And then you'll need a shaker. And of course our martini glasses. I have some lovely vintage ones right here. And then we need some ice. So shall we begin to mix it up? Let's do that. So I'm going to take my mixer. And we're going to put some ice right inside, just like this. And I always like coming up with some interesting cocktails. I have lots of vintage china and crystalware, and I like to pull them out and play with them and have a good time, have friends over. So it's really nice if you have a collection like that. Don't leave it in the cabinet, use it. It's way more fun, and who doesn't love to feel fabulous? All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do 1 part vermouth. So you can use any kind of vermouth, and I've got these gloves on, so this might be a little difficult to open. Oh, sugar. Let's see. Oh, well, I guess the glove comes off. Do the other one. There we go. So put that aside. So we're going to open up this vermouth here. And you can use any kind of vermouth. This is an extra dry vermouth. And I use just like a shot glass like this, so that way I can measure out the portions, because we're going to use 5 portions. 1 part is going to be the vermouth, so I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to pour that right in the top of our shaker there. And then we're going to add our vodka. And I have this lovely vintage collection of alcohol decanters, and they're so pretty. I have them in my dining room, and I put the liquor inside here, so it's quite nice if you have company over. But we're going to do 4 parts of this, so we're going to fill that up. So we're doing 1, pour that in, 2, and these are big shot glasses, so a lot of people get to have a martini with this one. 3 and 4. All right, so we're putting that in there, so that's 4. And then we're going to take our lavender essential oil. So when you're using essential oils to cook or make cocktail drinks, you really want to make sure that where you're sourcing your essential oils from are a very dependable brand. And the Parisian Hostess brand, I source all of my oils from all over the world, and they come from the best farms, and they're pure therapeutic grade. So this lavender is actually an organic one from Bulgaria. So what we're going to do is, because essential oils are very strong, you don't need to be happy and start doing 10, 15 drops. You really only need 2 drops in this one, because we have quite a full shaker here. So we're going to do 2 drops of lavender essential oil. And if you get an extra one in there, that's okay. So we're going to stir this up here. I'm not going to shake it up because every time I do that I tend to make a big mess. Plus my shaker is not in the healthiest shape at the moment. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to put on our strainer top right here, and it has the holes right in the top. So the ice is inside and it's chilling our martinis, our lavender martinis. And then what you're going to do is whoops, see that one kind of seeping out. So you're going to pour it right in. And so you really want to have one that has a good seal. And then we're going to do the other one here, because it's always nice if you can have company to drink with. And then we're going to go ahead and put my gloves back on, because as I drink my lavender martini, I want to look fabulous, as do all of you out there. So I'm going to put that on there. And then, as they say in France, santé, and enjoy. So lavendery, it's yummy. Well, you can buy the lavender essential oil on the ParisianHostess.com website. We'll have the link at the end of the video. Thanks so much for joining me for Cooking in the Kitchen with the Parisian Hostess. It's cocktail hour. Santé!